So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. For today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin ang problem solving using basic operations na addition and subtraction. Ang una nating word problem, Dave bought a big bag of candy. The bag had 78 red candies, 56 blue candies, and 82 white candies. Now, how many candies does Dave have in total now? The keyword here, o ang keyword sa word problem na ito ay in total, meaning we are looking for the sum. And if we're looking for the sum, ang basic operation natin dito ay addition. So, i-add natin yung mga given. That is 78 plus 56 plus 82 is equal to 216 total candies. Pangalawang example naman tayo. Elmo has 12 apples. Lily has 15 apples. Bryan has 14 apples and Bea has 18 apples. How many apples do they have combined? Ang keyword naman para sa problem na ito ay ang word na combined. And kapag narinig natin ang word na combined, that means that we are to add the numbers. So, that is 12 plus 15 plus 14 plus 18 is equal to 59 apples. Another example. Tony had 2,000 pesos. He spent 700 pesos on shoes and 500 pesos on a bag. How much does he have remaining? Ang keyword naman natin sa word problem na ito ay ang salitang remaining. At kapag nakita o narinig natin ang salitang ito, that means that we're going to subtract the numbers. So 2,000 minus 700 minus 500 is equal to 800 pesos. Another example, Logan bought 100 candies to share with his friends. He gave 33 candies to Scott. He also gave 21 candies to Jean. How many candies were left? So, ang keyword naman natin sa word problem na ito ay ang salitang were left. At kapag nakita o narinig natin ang salitang ito, that means that we're going to subtract the numbers. So, 100 minus 33 minus 21 is equal to 46 candies. So, another example, Mavis has 2 cats and 5 dogs. Bern has 8 cats and 3 dogs. How many dogs are there in all? So, ang keyword naman natin sa word problem na ito is the word in all. At kapag narinig natin o nakita natin ang word na in all, ibig sabihin nun, we are going to add the numbers. But remember, in this problem, hinahanap lang natin yung total number of dogs. So we add 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 dogs. Another example, 256 girls and 307 boys took part in a swimming competition. How many students took part in the competition altogether? Ang keyword naman natin sa word problem na ito ay yung word na altogether. At muli, kapag nakita natin o narinig natin ang salitang altogether in a word problem, that means that we are going to add the numbers. Okay. So, 256 plus 307 is equal to 563 students. Another example, Mark bought 726 worth of speakers. He paid the shopkeeper 1,000 pesos. How much will be returned by the shopkeeper? Ang keyword naman natin sa word problem na ito ay ang salitang returned. Okay. At kapag nakita natin at narinig natin ang salitang return, that means that we are going to subtract the numbers. So, 1,000 minus 726 is equal to 274 pesos. Last example. Jose bought 300 marbles. He gave 87 marbles to his brother and 75 marbles to his sister. How many marbles were left? Again, ang keyword natin para sa word problem na ito ay ang word or ang phrase na were left. Okay. At ang ibig sabihin na to, we are going to subtract the numbers. So 300 minus 87 minus 75 is equal to 138 marbles. Ang dali lang, di ba? So, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!